Hello, I'm super excited because I have a package that I'm going to be unboxing today. It is this one. So I got a package from Pink. I'm on the Pink campus team at my university, and they sent me this wonderful box full of goodies, and I can't wait to open it. So I'm going to open it for you guys and show you what they sent me. Here it is. It says gift love from Pink. Let me get it out of here. So this is the box that I got. It's really cute. It says Pink gift love, and then on the back it says please reuse this box. It has a little recycling symbol with the pink dog. Pink girls recycle, and I will be using this box to store some of my stuff. So I can't wait. Let's see what the inside looks like. Let me open it for you guys. So here's the inside. It is red. Ooh. So it says sending lots and lots of joy to you this holiday season. Oh, and some sweet gifts. You deserve it. Be well, Pink. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's go ahead and see what they sent. Ooh, so they sent a reusable face mask. Definitely need a lot of these. This is what it looks like. It says pink in gold, and it has these adjustable little beads, and I know they do sell these in store, so if you want to get a pink mask you can. And it does have a little metal piece for the nose, which is very important because I know some of the fabric masks do not have the metal piece, and you want it to be nice and snug on your nose. And it also has a spot for a filter, so if you want to put a filter in your mask you can. Go ahead and try this on. True 2020 style. This is really cute. A little pink on it. Definitely going to be using that. Alright, but next I'm really excited about these fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks in the winter. These are the crew socks. They're very soft and they have the little pads on the bottom so that it gives you grip and you won't be sliding everywhere, which is great because they have hardwood floors and they have the little P logo on it. It's like a very fuzzy, soft material. You can see it's very stretchy. Scrunchies. I love the pink scrunchies. My favorite are the velvet ones. So these two, the black and the red, are the velvet scrunchie. They have a cute little pink dog on it, and then we have a little, this one is more of a softer fabric. But scrunchies are back in. I love the scrunchies. I actually have a couple just lying everywhere around my room, and I love them because you can tie your hair up. It doesn't leave marks on your hair. They're super soft and comfortable. I like making buns out of them. It gives a little flare, a little ponytail. It just gives it a little added something to your hair, either if you do a bun or a ponytail. They're so soft. I have a thing for fabrics, and the softer the better, so I definitely recommend these scrunchies. I'm so happy I got them. I'll definitely be using these a lot. More fuzzy things. Oh goodness, I love things that are soft and fuzzy, especially in the winter. You just want to cuddle up in the blanket. So they're mittens, and they're the Sherpa lined. I have Sherpa lined hoodies and sweaters and a couple different Sherpa line products, and they are the best because they're just so soft and warm, and when it's cold out I just snuggle in them with a cup of tea or hot cocoa. So this is what they look like. They're little mittens. But wait. Your fingers come out. So if you need to use your phone or grab something, you could take out your fingers, but then it's all strip aligned. So you could put it back in here. And then the outside is a knit fabric. With knitted braid. So I like the fact that I could flip them over and use my fingers. This looks like it's a matching piece to my Mittens. It's the matching hat. Has a little faux fur pom-pom on the top. The knit pattern with the little braids on it. Rolls up and out, and then it says, has a little pink logo, or the little pink dog, which I like anything with dogs. I love dogs. And it is Sherpa lined like the other one, but straight on. It is so warm. Oh, my ears are like, thank you. Yeah, this is definitely something I will wear for the winter, and then you could kind of adjust these if you want to be covered more or less. And I like that you have a little pink dog on there. But yeah, it's really warm. Even my ears are nice and cozy. It's hand sanitizer in fresh coconut scent. Let's try this. Oh, it looks like just one of their regular mists, so I like that. It's a mist. Oh yeah, it comes out like a mist. Oh, it smells like paradise. Yep, it smells just like paradise, like if you have a fancy tropical coconut drink. I like this. So not only is it a hand sanitizer, but it also gives you a nice fragrance. So good. And it says it has aloe, so it's going to help keep your hands moisturized. So I'm going to definitely keep this somewhere handy so that I could sanitize my hands. Ooh, there's something in the box. I wonder what's in here. Let's find out. What's in the box? Ooh. A mug, and it says pink on it. So it looks like, oh, it's really nice, big size, 16 ounces, and it is microwave and dishwasher safe. It's a pretty red color, and the packaging is really cute. This will make a really good gift. So if you want to do this as a gift for someone. So we got these little cards that we could send our loved ones. It is original artwork. It says love is louder, and this graffiti paint look. And then it's empty, so you could write whatever. So I'll be using these to send some love to some people. Love is louder. This retro design. And then finally, love is louder in this. It says pink, love and kindness to the planet, yourself, and others. So I'll definitely be using this box. It's a really cute box. Definitely store some things in here. Maybe put it under my bed. I love storing things in boxes and putting it under my bed. And then it's an extra storage space that I didn't have. So thank you for joining me and watching me unbox this wonderful gift. Thank you VS Pink for sending this to me. I'm definitely going to use all these items. I'm so happy to receive all these wonderful things. Bye guys.